Automation isn't just a buzzword anymore. When scalability is the name of the game, you don't just work harder, you work smarter. That means baking security right into your DevOps pipeline without missing deadlines. If that sounds impossible to you, you've just not tried AppSecEngineer yet. With the world's largest hands-on training library for application security, we can help you build products that meet the highest standards of security without slowing down your rapid pace of development. Learn how to automate security scans for SAST, DAST, and SCA. Train your team in building CI/CD pipelines. Secure your environment at every step of the SDLC. And learn to do all this on literally any tech stack. That's right, we don't just do DevSecOps. We have courses in cloud security, Kubernetes, and a whole lot more. But what sets AppSecEngineer apart is our laser focus on hands-on learning. That means every lesson comes with hands-on labs built on real environments with zero simulation. But don't just take our word for it. Try it yourself and see the results in under a month. Maximize efficiency, minimize bottlenecks, and leverage automation for your DevSecOps program. Only with AppSecEngineer. Never stop learning.